Hi everyone, my name is Nyella Maloney and today I am going to show you how I make my personal bookmark. Here are the materials that you will need: a ruler, scissors, pencil, eraser, paper glue, color pencils or markers, and any color blank piece of paper that of your choice, and any other decorative items you would like to use. So this is what we are supposed to have, and now we are going to fold the edges down and use the glue to help stick it. So now that we have folded our edges, you can go ahead and decorate your bookmark in any way you would like. Here are some of the other bookmarks that I have already created, and these are my few favorites that I love to use.